Here x ordinate and this is y ordinate. X ordinate is called as abscissa. X ordinate is called as abscissa. Here abscissa value is 2 and y ordinate is nothing but ordinate. Y coordinate is nothing but ordinate. Ordinate value is 0. So for point A, the abscissa is 2 and the ordinate is 0. Same way represent one more point, that is B. So how can you write the coordinate values of B? First you should write x value. X value means the distance of origin to the point. Origin to the point on x axis. So it is 5 and 0. So if the 2 points are lying on x axis, how can you find out the distance between the 2 points? So the distance between the 2 points, between A and B, AB distance is nothing but origin to B. What is origin to B? OB distance. OB distance is, see here, from here to here it is 5 units. And a distance from origin to A. Origin to A it is, from origin to A it is 2 units. 2 units. So AB is nothing but OB. OB minus OA. What is OB here? What is OB? OB is 5 units. What is OA? OA is 2 units. 5 minus 2 is 3 units. So the distance of AB is 3 units. Same way we can find out if the 2 points lying on y axis. Suppose, how can you write the C coordinates? C, since the point is lying on y axis. This point C is lying on y axis. In that case, its abscissa value is 0 and distance from origin to y axis is its ordinate. Same way B points is 0 and distance from origin to point D is 4 units. That is its ordinate. Ordinate means y coordinate value. Since these 2 points are lying on y axis, its x coordinate value is 0. Understood? Now, can you find out our distance from C to D? How can you find the distance from C to D? From origin to D, origin to D is 4 units. And from origin to C is 2 units. So what is the distance of CD? CD distance is nothing but OD minus OC. Yes or no? The CD distance is nothing but OD minus OC. What is OD here? Here OD is 4 units. What is OC? OC is 2 units. So the distance, if the 2 points lying on y axis is, this is the way we can find out if the 2 points lying on y axis and the 2 points lying on x axis. Think, if the 2 points are neither lying on x axis nor on y axis. If the 2 points are not lying on x axis and not even on y axis, how can you find out the distance between those 2 points? See here I am taking, here one point I take. This is point A. This point A is represented as 1, 3. First you should write x axis value, then we should write y axis value. So point A is written as 1, 3 and take one more point here. This is point B. Point B can be written as 3, 4. 3, 4. How can you find out the distance between AB here? AB, you need to find out. See, if we join this way, one point